Day one. What's going on? I'm Fardin, and today's topic is about clock. In here, we can see our clock picture or image, and its time. It's indicated time 1 o'clock or 1 a.m. or p.m. 2 o'clock a.m. or p.m. And 10 o'clock a.m. or p.m. Exactly. In the in this line, in the sentence, the question is what time is it? We can say is dash o'clock. For example, we can say is 10 o'clock, is 12 o'clock, is 3 o'clock. Then in here, when you see another picture of clock, same picture we can say, because I'm so lazy to put another picture. I'm sick. I got a fever last night. Sorry for that. 1 to 14 minutes or 16 to 29 minutes. We can say like it's 12 past 2 o'clock, 12 to 12 past 2 o'clock, 3 past 1 o'clock. Question is what time is it? It's minute past hour. It's minute past hour. Yes, for example, we can say it's 12 past 2 o'clock. It's 13 past 3 o'clock. Then same picture again, and it's quarter, 11 quarter, 11 quarter, quarter past 11, quarter past 12, quarter past 2. Question is what time is it? Same question. What time is it? It's quarter past hour. For example, we can say that it's quarter past 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Then in here, it's it's half of an hour. It's half of an hour. What time is it? It's half past an hour. It's half past hour. For example, we can say it's half past 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. In this line, we can see 31 to 44 minutes, 46 to 59 minutes. 31 to 44 minutes, 46 to 59 minutes. We can say it's 25 to 3 o'clock. What time is it? I did this line. Uh, in this line, I tried my best to um, understand you that how it works. It's 60 minus present time. 60 minus present time, like 2:35. We can cut out 35 by 60. 35 from 60. For example, we can say it's 25 to 3 o'clock. 60 minus 35. 60 minus 35, it's 25. And 2 next hour. Sorry again. For next hour, 3 o'clock. What's the next hour of 2? It's 3. So it's 45 to 3 o'clock. Then it's like again same but different. And the picture, same picture. 45, 4:45, 5:45, 8:45. What time is it? I forgot to write question in here. Let's get started. It's 60 minus 45 to next hour. We'll cut out 45 from 60 and then to next hour. If the hour is 4 and the next hour is 5. For example, we can say it's 15 to 9 o'clock. It's 15 to 9 o'clock. I think that's it for today. That's it for today's video. Goodbye everyone. See you another day with another video. Goodbye.